glossy black. It's a nice little track. Overcome the mass riding pack back there. Little this spin coming up here. You know, not a dark person. Can't see those dark clouds. Dangerous, you know. At least he saw me. Nice little windy track, this one. See the rocks up here, hit the line, nice more rocks, really firm bar. Obstacles to negotiate here. So we go onto a track called Gillian's. Tree roots mostly. Doing this action, keep the momentum up, keep the line. Avoid the tree roots. Fly them around the tree roots. A little bit of rain here. I'm getting ready for a burn through here. They've cleared around the base of all the big trees so they don't catch fire. Why they want to burn this little beautiful green section, I have no idea. The mentality of the fire management authorities escapes me sometimes. A nice little green glade through there. And bursting out onto a fire trail. And that's Chillings. Glider, which is a very nice track. With everything in this one, including the Rock of Death. I came to grief at once, actually not seriously, but it's nice to see the mighty Mirandley fern veil being exposed a bit further along. In fact, Death Rock is a great hunk of Mirandley fern veil quartzite. Slight uphill section. Over the hump, through the burn, approaching Death Rock. Around this corner and then suddenly, da-da! Death Rock 1. There's actually 2 Death Rocks. Another one coming out. Got the change down. Very much talking. There's a quarry just over on the left, on the right there, a magnificent rubble of Mirandley fern veil displayed for all to see. I'm coming up to Death Rock number 2. I planned this right, get through without hitting anything. Alright, made it. Little glide here, the elkhorns. And start gradual uphill again. It's called Daisy Hill after all, or it should be Daisy Hills actually. It used to be a tree-rooted horror, this part, but the trail maintenance done a good job at smoothing that out. However, they've not done a good job smoothing out the next bit. Which could qualify as Death Pass 3. Time it just right. Sure the pedals don't hit tree roots, logs. Steep little pinch. Downhill. Recovery. Road. They're supposed to go climbing today, and the forecast was for rain, a possible storm up the glass houses. Doesn't look much like that to me at this point. The bloody Weather Bureau has been hopeless lately. Absolutely hopeless. Understaffed. Concentrate through here. Very fast section. This is called Glider, this track. It's a beauty actually, really nice undulating weavy track. Through the great Mirrenly Fernvale gravel patch, which seems to cover most of the southern hemisphere. Stump. There's a bike in the tree there. We took a wrong turn. Almost the end of Glider. A couple more ends to go. Gotta negotiate death log. It's a dangerous track, this one. Here it is. Yeah.